everyone, my name is Soumya Shri. So I have made a simple to-do app using React which performs functions such as adding a task, editing a task, deleting a task, saving a task and mark as completed. We can mark as completed to any stack. Okay, so let's just see how the app works. So this is the simple to-do app. This is the area where we can enter any task. So these are the random tasks added from an API which I'll show you further. So this is the area where we can enter the task. So let's just add walk, add task, and adding task added successfully. Here you can see that the task is added successfully, and this is the edit button. We can edit. Here you can see walk has come, and we will change it to walking and save. Updating data, task updated successfully. Okay, so we can mark as completed to any task. So we will mark as completed. So task completed successfully, and we can delete a task. So this is the delete button, deleting data, task deleted, and this is the logo of the app which has some 3D effects, and this is the scroll bar. This okay. Now let's just see the functionality. So this is the index.js file. It has nothing but it renders to the app component. Okay, this is index.css. Simple CSS functions are there. So this is the spinner.js file. It will provide an animation, a spinner animation whenever the page will load. Okay, let's just see the API which has index.js file. So this code defines 4 functions of task management using a JSON API. The API which I was talking about is this API which provides random tasks to it. When it performs 4 operations: fetch to do, fetches all tasks for a specific user from the API, and add task handler creates new task by sending post request to the API. Delete task deletes a task by sending a delete request to the API. Update task updates a task by sending a patch request to the API. And each function returns an object with a success flag indicating the success of operation and relevant data such as fetch task or the created updated task. Okay. This is the add task function. So this is responsible for rendering a form in React application that allows user to add or edit tasks. Okay, and it utilizes a useRef and useEffect hooks to manage the input field and update it when editing a task. This form captures user input and triggers appropriate functions by adding or updating tasks based on the editing state. So this is the main container of the to-do app, and it handles various functions like fetch task, adding new task, editing the previous task, deleting a task, displaying the task. It manages the state for loading status, the list of tasks, the editing state. It also uses hooks such as useEffect and useState and useMemo for managing state and performing asynchronous operations. And this is the show task. The show task component is responsible for rendering and displaying the list of tasks. Okay, and it receives the list of tasks as a prop and maps over each task to create individual task component. Each task includes the task title and 3 icons for updating, deleting and marking the task as completed. Okay, so this is all about the to-do app. I hope you liked it. Thank you.